So,
thank you very much, One Central Hotel, for this food. Wait. Zoom kayo. Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here finally at the Philippines, and we are here at one of the newest hotel here at Cebu, which is the One Central Hotel, and we're gonna actually, this is just an ordinary day and I would not spend the night over here. It's just gonna be a tour and picture taking and kaon, and I don't know what else to see here, but let's go check it out. And later on we will have our C3 live and I will be one of the hosts, so I'm gonna probably take you there and take some shots of the live. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share peace and love. So where are we heading?
19th floor.
Where are we heading?
19th floor.
Where's the map? Where's the map? Shh! Napakayo ka na sa
Vlogger sa bati.
So sorry.
Vlogger sa bati. YouTube.
Nakasabaan ng
Sorry.
Naka-YouTube good ay.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, that's sorry. That's what we do.
Sorry, not sorry.
guys, no picture taking here.
No video.
Just a view lang.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, today we take a picture, so see you later in 5 minutes. First impression. I'm back, by the way, guys. By the way. Look at the floor lagi. Look at the floor, guys. The flooring, guys, is so. Pero pagkataanig ka ng very I don't know how to say it, but something like that. So we are now having a tour in the hotel. So first room is the junior suite, right?
Yes.
Junior suite.
Yeah, man. You're right.
So let's go. Like and subscribe and share me a lot. If you guys wonder how vloggers work. Tara. Oh, di ba? Unlimited pictures, unlimited videos, and hi, Whiskey.
Hi!
Love. My God, there's a call center ninja. Call center ninja.
Like and subscribe.
Grabe.
Irate customer.
Lodi. Call center ninja. Oh my God.
Saturday Ninja on YouTube.
Nakatupad ako din call center ninja. Oh my God. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Go.
On the room.
I'm lost. Tequila ang Rosa kayo. Zoom kayo. Isha?
Ako na siya nag-first na ko, no? Sa pang Instagram. Hindi ako na siya i-kadang.
Actually guys, nag-check-in ka ron sa mga rooms din sa kayo. Guys, nai-author dire guys, come on. Sabutin mo.
Ato mo sa Amazon, Lazy Investor's Way.
So,
$2.99 for the ebook.
oh my God. Lodi.
Wow!
Kikutom ko. Wala kang buang din mo. Wala kang mga record kay nag-tour ba tabi din. Maraming bata na din guys nga nag-tour guys. Pero wow, ni-open ang portal. Look at Daddy, where are we going?
This is single. For the singles.
Oh! Yes. Para na ako din nag-single. Para na single.
Single maka. Single.
Ja.
Face
Baby
number
boy
one.
ng Cebu.
Face
Well
number
been
two.
Borja.
Face number 3.
Ano good? Somewhere.
Somewhere.
That's how you do it, guys. So if you wanna how it's done in Instagram, that's how you do it. Come on.
Yeah, we prepared 3 meal packages for 3 meal packages for different types of meal for Barkada. So
Mukbang na this. How to be a baby boy.
Eat lots of rice and no sudan.
Can you share some tips on how to speak in English?
You have to read a lot of books.
Read books. So Big Bad Wolf.
Yeah. Promo.
Promotion. Nagka promotion ng vlog din. Na One Central. Na Big Bad Wolf. Na Call Center Ninja. Na Baby Boy of Cebu.
This is the ultimate promotion vlog. Sorry guys.
This is
Hey guys.
at Will Being Be in Instagram, guys.
Follow us, Cebu content creators.
Content creators.
Content creators. Chichiri.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Manata.
Oh, tara naman. Charan!
So welcome to the Molavi Grand Ballroom. So it's a combination of Molavi Grand Ballroom and Molavi 1, 2, and 3.
So this is gonna be our place or our venue for tonight's episode of C3 Live. And this is, my god, this is so formal. I didn't expect this one. So I'm gonna show you guys the food. Okay, dami ka siya. Hindi ka makagutom. Pero she's explaining her house. So maning kamo tagatuwa dili kay wala ato mama. Mukaon ko og saan ni? Anaon ni di ba? Focus on me. Gino. Kurugan ka mo to. Wow. Namig. Mukbang na Liz. Thank you very much, One Central Hotel, for this.
Dapat updated your meal. Pizza.
Lamig. Lamig. Nagkaon niya ko. So nahuman na mo ang City Live. Yung wala ko ka-record, go check out Cebu Content Creators Facebook page and check out our live. Like that, subscribe, share, push, and love!